This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Sharon Wood. 2 lots nestled on the shores Lake Sinclair for a total of 6.19 acres. A charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom ranch home invites you to enjoy tranquil lakeside living. Newly installed Anderson windows installed in the house and a new front door. Bathrooms have been retiled and kitchen has new LVP flooring. All new appliances in the kitchen. Relax on the screen porch while watching the wildlife in the yard. The wood decking has been replaced on the dock and has an electric boat lift. There are 2 storage buildings that convey with the property. The home currently is used for short-term rental. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Wood at 770-315-3787.